I'm going to clean my keyboard with this. First time, just do one. Well, it says to do 1 or 2 pumps the first time, but in general, just to do 1 pump. So we're going to do 1 pump. And let's see. Yeah, there is something in there actually. Wet. Okay, simple. Now we're going to go over. As you can see, it's pretty dusty. I don't think I've ever cleaned this keyboard since I got it, so I'm really happy to try this. How does this work? I'm gonna do 1 more pump. Okay, that's better. It has more solution on it. So I did make sure to turn off my keyboard, which means disconnecting it. That was the first thing I did, just in case. As you can see, the solution is already drying, so I'm not worried about it's getting into the crevices and causing a problem. It smells like alcohol. And yeah, that's all. Let's see. I'm gonna wait till it dries. I can see all the keys already drying pretty quickly. It's nice. Get into all the cracks. Yeah, it looks okay. Smells nice and clean. I think next time I'll probably dust it first a little bit. But it did a really nice job. So excited to not have dirty fingers anymore. Contains 100% 100 applications. Nice.